Whales are buying, quietly. But the question is, what are they buying? These 5 coins aren't trending, yet. But the data doesn't lie. They're being accumulated right now. Let's dive in. In the vast ocean of cryptocurrency, where the tides shift with the whims of market sentiment and the whispers of speculation, there exists a unique breed of investor known as the whale. These are the entities, be they individuals, hedge funds, or institutional players, who possess the financial muscle to influence market dynamics significantly. While the average retail investor is often caught up in the frenzy surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum, whales operate with a level of discretion that is both fascinating and strategic. They are the silent navigators of this digital sea, quietly accumulating assets that may not yet be on the radar of the broader market. Recently, I embarked on a journey to decode the behaviors of these whales, particularly focusing on 5 lesser-known altcoins that are currently being hoarded by these savvy players. The allure of these coins lies not just in their potential for profit, but in the underlying narratives and developments that suggest they could soon emerge from the shadows. The first coin on my radar is Coin A, characterized by its low market cap and robust developer activity. Unlike many altcoins that experience peaks and valleys based on hype, Coin A has been steadily evolving, with developers working tirelessly on upgrades and community engagement. The whales recognize this potential, as they understand that a strong foundation often precedes significant price appreciation. By accumulating Coin A, they position themselves to ride the wave of growth that could follow once the broader market catches wind of its development momentum. Next, we have Coin B, which is intricately linked to an upcoming Layer 2 launch. In the ever-evolving landscape of blockchain technology, Layer 2 solutions are becoming increasingly vital for scalability and efficiency. Whales are acutely aware of this trend, and their investment in Coin B signifies a bet on the future of decentralized applications and transactions. As the launch date approaches, the anticipation could catalyze a surge in interest, making it a prime target for those looking to capitalize on early investments. Coin C, on the other hand, has been experiencing an influx of stablecoins, a phenomenon that often indicates a buildup of buying pressure. This activity suggests that investors are positioning themselves for a potential price rally. Whales, with their extensive resources, can afford to take calculated risks, and their accumulation of Coin C reflects a belief in its imminent appreciation. The data is clear. While the market may be fixated on the big players, the shifts in stablecoin inflows are a telltale sign of something brewing beneath the surface. Then there's Coin D, which has found its niche at the intersection of NFTs and artificial intelligence. This coin is a testament to the innovation that characterizes the cryptocurrency space, yet it remains largely under the radar. Whales are drawn to Coin D not only for its potential financial returns, but also for its alignment with cutting-edge technology and cultural trends. As NFTs continue to capture the imagination of the public, and AI becomes more integrated into various sectors, the strategic positioning of Coin D could lead to significant gains. The whale's interest here signals a broader acknowledgement of the transformative power of these technologies. Finally, we arrive at Coin E, a project backed by a well-known venture capital firm, but not yet listed on major exchanges. This is a classic case of a whale making a calculated investment in a project that could explode once it gains wider visibility. The backing of a reputable venture capital firm lends credibility to Coin E, and the whale's early accumulation could position them favorably for when the coin finally makes its debut on larger trading platforms. The potential for price appreciation is immense, and those who are able to identify such opportunities early on can reap the rewards. However, while the behaviors of these whales are undeniably intriguing, they serve as a reminder that caution is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency investing. Just because these large players are making moves does not mean that every individual investor should follow suit blindly. Whales have the luxury of absorbing significant risks due to their vast resources, while retail investors must navigate the waters with a more measured approach. To effectively engage with this market, I've developed a strategy that focuses on informed decision-making. First and foremost, I set alerts for significant movements in these coins, rather than placing buy orders impulsively. This allows me to stay informed without getting swept up in the emotional tides of the market. Research is key. Understanding the fundamentals and potential catalysts for each coin is crucial before committing any capital. Another strategy I employ is dollar-cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount over time, I can mitigate the risks associated with market volatility. This approach allows me to build a position gradually, reducing the impact of short-term price fluctuations. It's a strategy that aligns well with the long-term vision many whales share, as they often think in terms of months or years rather than days. Lastly, I've learned the importance of taking profits. In a market as unpredictable as cryptocurrency, it's easy to get greedy, holding out for what feels like the perfect price point. However, I've found that taking profits earlier than instinct might suggest can be a wise move. It allows for the realization of gains while still leaving room for further investment down the line. As I reflect on the insights gleaned from tracking whale activity, I find myself more attuned to the subtle shifts in the market. The 5 coins I've identified may not be trending now, but the data indicates a brewing storm beneath the surface. For those willing to look beyond the mainstream, there are opportunities waiting to be seized. The question is not just which coins to invest in, but how to navigate this complex landscape with wisdom and foresight. The whales may be buying quietly, but their actions speak volumes, and it's up to us to listen closely. If this video surprised you, it means you're early. Comment. Which of these coins shocked you the most? Like, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated with more insider moves next week.